Today I am going to be showing a NERF Strongarm Elite review. And now we are going to do it. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to show this, because when you cock it, you might not be able to see. Okay, now, when you cock it, you will see it as the barrel moves. And now when I fire, you see that the barrel moves. See? And now you can see where the bullet shot. And there's two ways to reload it. One way you can do this, and the other way you can do this. And you can get a lot more. Or you can just do that. And now, when you cock it, see how it is like that, and there's a little thing just in there. So, when you cock it, it changes a bit. Wait, can you see? If you can't see, it's not my fault. And it fires very quickly. And next, we're going to show it firing. Oh, that was a dozen. It doesn't work all the time. Or you can do slam fire, and that's when you hold down the trigger and keep cocking. Now I'm going to show you. There. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it's about, can get 11 to 16 pounds about on eBay. And it's called the Strongarm, and it says here, and on the other side it says Elite and NERF. And it's got a very good sight, because you can just you have to line up this one with this one with this one. Like that. So now it's going to be weird, but I'm shooting at the screen. And yeah, now this is the NERF Strongarm. And if you want to, you can look at my channels. And I recommend Flynn Salvin and Luca Quino, and they will be on home on my channel. And if you have a sling, do not use this one, use this one, because then you might cock it, and then if she tests it, it might fire. So